Dear students, welcome to Edumir Physics. This is our second lecture on electrostatics, and in this lecture we are going to discuss the quantization of electric charge. This is an important property of electric charge. In the last chapter we become to know that when an object gets an excess electron in it, then it will be negatively charged, and if loses electrons, then it will be positively charged. Now it can have one excess electrons, two excess electrons, three excess electrons, etc. Whenever it has one excess electron, then its charge will be minus E, where E is the charge of an electron which has the magnitude of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now when it has two excess electrons, then its charge will be minus 2E. When it has three excess electron, then its charge will be minus 3E, and so on. When it has n number of excess electrons, then the total charge of the object will be Ne with negative, because it has excess electron in it. Now if it loses electrons, then it will have a positive charge because it is losing the negative charge. So in this case it will have the total amount of electric charge as positive N into E. So here we can understand that an object can have electric charge as the integral multiple of the charge of an electron. That is, here N is either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. We can have minus E, minus 2E, minus 3E, but we cannot have the intermediate amount of charges. That means minus 1.5E, minus 2.5E, or minus 2.8E, etc. This kind of charges are not possible. So this thing is called the quantization of electric charge. So the quantization of electric charge means a charged body can have electric charge in integral multiple of the charge of an electron, and no intermediate charges are possible to create in an object. So this thing is called the quantization of electric charge. So from this concept we can understand that an object can have total charge Q equals to N into E, where N is the number of electrons and E is the charge of electron, charge of an electron. Now if the object has excess of electrons, then the charge will be, total charge will be negative, and if the electron has deficiency of electrons, that means if it loses electrons, then the total charge will be positive Ne. Using this formula we can solve some numerical problems. So let us consider an object has total amount of charge minus 80 microcoulomb, and we have to find the number of electrons in it. So obviously it has the negative charge, so it has excess of electrons in it, and we have to find the number of excess electrons of the object. So from this formula we can write that number of excess electrons, E equals to total charge divided by amount of charge of an electron. So here minus 80 micro means 10 to the power minus 6, so minus 80 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb divided by minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Since it has excess of electrons, therefore we are using minus sign here. If the object has positive charge, then we will use plus 1.6, that means the charge of a proton. Okay, so in this case we are getting 50. So 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 plus 19, 50 into 10 to the power 13 equals to 5 into 10 to the power 14. That means if an object has total charge minus 80 microcoulomb, then it will have 5 into 10 to the 14 number of excess electrons. Hope you understand. This is all from this video. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe this channel to get more videos related to your board exams. Thank you.